tacos. Hopefully I'm saying that right. So I have my chuck pot roast here. And I'm going to sear this up a little bit on each side in just a moment. So for seasonings, I have beef flavor, chipotle, peppers and adobo sauce, bay leaves, oregano leaves, and beef broth. Over here, I have half of a chopped up onion and a whole head of garlic. And in here, I have my peppers going in about half of my beef broth container. So I'm gonna let that go. And then I'm going to add my garlic in here as well. So just pop the garlic in there and then pop these onions in here to kind of cook with that juice and stuff. And then later we're gonna blend it up. So I have my sauce going and it's to a boil and my peppers are soft. So I'm gonna turn this off and throw it in the blender. So our blend is finished and we're gonna throw it in the blender. Oh shit, it's spilling. Now we're just gonna blend it up. Some olive oil in it, and over here I'm going to season my my beef roast. I'm going to use some ground cumin, some oregano, biased, some onion powder, salt and pepper. I'm going to do that to the other side too. So I'm going to throw my onion in, fry that up. And sear those up. So I'm going to start to put my roast in here and sear it. Sear it on all sides. Okay, so now that we're all nice and seared up, I'm going to add my onions back and fry my sauce. Now we're going to turn it on low. I'm going to add the rest of our beef broth in here and rinse off the sides. About a teaspoon of, so I went ahead and prepared my rice when it's cooking right now. You guys have seen my rice made in another video. So now I'm going to chop up an onion and cilantro, about a teaspoon of beef flavor to it. And I'm going to add 2 more whole peppers just for the flavor. So I'm going to add some whole bay leaves in here. Now we're gonna put the lid on, let this cook for 3 hours. I just want to show you guys how tender this meat is. I barely have to touch it with my fork. So tender. So we have our Birra tacos, and my husband's gonna try them.